Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. I'm here again with the new initial free offering of the new token. The token name is symbol is MTS and token name is Metastrike. Okay, so here is an announcement for the free distribution rule and on the gate.io. So I'm going to explain. Before I'm going to start the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and share as much you can. And if you want to join Gate.io, then sign up link is also given in the description section. From there, you can easily join Gate.io. So let's start the video about the Gate.io free airdrop program. In order to reward platform, user Gate.io launched the startup project airdrop, as I have already told in every video. So let's see, startup will launch its next project. Okay, Metastrike MTS at 625 25th of January 2022. So if you want to be participated in this launch, then link will be shared in the description section. From there you can directly join this startup program. So before join, just you need be a part of the Gate.io. To you have to sign up Gate.io to participate in this event. So let me tell about the some Metastrike. Metastrike is a Metaverse FPS blockchain game project that includes many essential and advanced features of the shooting games with VR feature gameplay, high effort investment in both visual and gameplay. So as you know, metaverse are getting very high price and it is being increased day by day. So I think this new launch will be very profitable for all. But before investing, please be careful and be analyze of the risk in this token. You have to make your own risk perception. Then you have to invest in this. I and my channel is not saying that if this token is very good, then you have to invest here or you should invest. Just it is a informational video where just you have to make your analysis. Then after you have to invest. Okay. In particular, we allow like it's from the Metastrike allow players to freely customize the shape, color, as well as upgrade weapons, equipment, and costumes to the liking of each player through the various way and event in the game or in game currency token. So as you know, anyone who is game lover who wants to modify, everyone wants to modify their characters in their own format and own color and own style. So this is the game. This is the game where you can easily modify color to all, from the color to all style and accent you can modify according to your own perception. So let's see about the token. Token name is MTS, like Metastrike, and its symbol is MTS, and maximum supply is 565 triple zero triple zero MTS. The token type is BEP 2.0. You can easily read it out on the Google BEP 2.0, or you can search in my list. I have also made on this point in detail. Token contract address is also given here. From here, you can easily negotiate or move to that contract token address. Okay, and distribution percentage is also given here. I will mention all the things in the description section. From there, you can easily check it out and understand your gameplay on the metaverse. So, before understanding, let's move on the. I will mention website link also. From there, you can easily read it out. It's a white paper. Here it's written light paper. Okay, here is also available an active market for the sale and other things. And let's read about us. What is the Metastrike? A blockchain-based role-play shooting game with collection of weapon, for player to equip upgrade level to complete mission and earn NFT and tokens. You can earn multiple NFT and token by playing this game. So this is the best part, and it is saying that future is bright of this token. Okay, player can have a gun, collecting build map to fight and steal NFT from other people. This is the best part of this game. You can also steal NFT from other player as well. And Metastrike is the first person that can be used as a basis to develop your own FPS project with any idea. Okay, so I think it's a good, some good to invest in this token also, because I'm reading about the game and it seemed too good, and you collect multiple tokens also and NFT also from here. So I think, but you should make or own risk analysis. Then after you can buy this and trade in this token. So hope this video is very informational. As much more you required any information, then I will make a video on this game also. And after making this video on the game, how you can earn NFT, and you can watch it on my channel. So please subscribe my channel to check it out about the more NFTs, more token, and more startup initials. So I would like to thank you all for watching my video. Thank you.